Okay, just wanted to do a little video. I've always had an interest in seeing if I could gain any extra voltage DC through putting it through a couple of motors or Bedini setup, or I played around with it for a few years. Today I've got an old Synchronous motor on top of a normal DC motor, and we're powering it through a 12 volt DC battery, pulse width modulator into this motor, which will in turn this Synchronous motor giving AC out, rectified by a diode setup. As you can see, red through to the positive on the 16 volt capacitor, in through to the 9 volt charge battery. On the earlier test, I had a 15 minutes test, and basically I made a test of what was in this battery to begin with and what it was after 15 minutes run time, and what was in this battery, and after 15 minutes of bouncing up and down, it stabilized at where it is now, 8.38 volts DC. It gave me a advantage of 0.16 volts DC. So it was interesting. So I just thought I'd make a little video. I'm sure you've all seen this before on larger scales, but I think I'm not finished here. I quite enjoyed this today. So just a little bit of fun. So 12 volt to the pulse width modulator, and if we can focus on, there we go. So we've already started, and the charge is already starting to come up. I don't know if you can hear. We've got a very low input. No more is needed, basically. So it will lessen the use of the input here. I'd like to have a large super cap on a later video, but that's not coming just right now. I've got some other projects going on. But as you can see, a simple battery charger, and if I could have 2 or 3 of these in series, maybe it could, as in the Bedini setup, you have one run battery and then you have several output batteries. Yeah, maybe that could be the next step, but I believe I need a large Synchronous motor, but that's to be seen. Thought you'd enjoy this. I'll just turn up the power. You see the voltage starts increasing. Had 130 volts AC out of it. I like to keep it on the lower setting because it still charges, and it's not very good for your batteries hammering the voltage into them. They'll just lose it through the bounce anyway. So I hope you like this video. Please comment, tell me that I'm not completely sane. Otherwise, hope everybody has a good weekend. Thanks for watching.